These soft and chewy oatmeal chocolate chip cookies are packed with oatmeal and chocolate. They are buttery, aren't too sweet, have a nice vanilla flavor and the perfect amount of salt. Brown sugar gives them a delicious molasses flavor. These are customizable, so swap out the chocolate for raisins, other dried fruit, or nuts. Add a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg or use a different extract. You will love them. First, combine the dry ingredients: a third cup of AP flour, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, a heaping quarter teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk. Then add 2/3 cup of instant oats. Don't use old-fashioned oats for this recipe. Whisk and set aside. To a large bowl, add 4 tablespoons of softened butter and a 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, but I used half white and half dark brown. Cream till fluffy. Then add 1 egg yolk. I ended up getting some egg white too, but that's fine. Then whisk. Now add a teaspoon of vanilla and your dry ingredients. Whisk with a wire whisk or spatula till mostly combined. Then add a half cup of dark chocolate chips or chunks and mix through. Shape into 4 cookies and refrigerate for at least an hour up to overnight or freeze. Place the cold cookies on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 11 minutes or until mostly set. Let cookies cool on the cookie sheet, then serve. Enjoy.